Are you tired because you're not eating enough? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to boost your appetite and strengthen your mindset. These vintage quotes are 18 affirmations to focus on meal prep, shopping, and cooking delicious foods to meet your life goals and nutritional needs. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. The key to wisdom is knowing all the right questions. John A. Simone Sr. 17. Life will always be to a large extent what we ourselves make it. Samuel Smiles. 16. Nothing is more dangerous than a friend without discretion. Even a prudent enemy is preferable. Jean de La Fontaine. Be humble, for you are made of dung. Be noble, for you are made of stars. Serbian proverb. Our greatest glory was not in never falling, but in rising when we fell. Vince Lombardi. Truth indeed rather alleviates than hurts, and will always bear up against falsehood, as oil does above water. Miguel de Cervantes. Ever since grammar school, I knew I wanted to be famous. I always wanted to be a singer. Jennifer Hudson. A wedding is a funeral where you smell your own flowers. Eddie Cantor. The fewer the facts, the stronger the opinion. Arnold Glasgow. Insecurity, commonly regarded as a weakness in normal people, is the basic tool of the actor's trade. Miranda Richardson. Art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. Thomas Merton. What people want, above all, is order. Stephen Gardner. All technology should be assumed guilty until proven innocent. David Brower. I never thought I'd make the pages of Sports Illustrated because I've always been skinny. Carolyn Murphy. To cease smoking is the easiest thing I ever did. I ought to know, I've done it 1,000 times. Mark Twain. All is flux, nothing stays still. Heraclitus. The more thou stir it, the worse it will be. Miguel de Cervantes. Mistakes are painful when they happen, but years later a collection of mistakes is what is called experience. Dr. Dennis Waitley. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.